Hey there! In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can turn the AI portrait you have generated, how you can turn any of your pictures to a pencil sketch, to smudge painting, and you'll be learning how to frame it. I've made inquiry from somebody who frames pictures and everything it costs, everything you need to do in order to frame your pictures. God's ways to go here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I teach you how you can become more digitally productive and make money and have good success in life. If it's your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. And to my returning viewers, welcome back, and make sure you like this video so that it can be of much help to other people on YouTube. Having said that, let's go right into this video. Alright, so once you have gotten your AI portrait or the picture you want to use, all you need to do is to go to your photo lab. Okay, so right now I'm on my photo lab. So you see trending pictures, you will see top. Okay, of course you will need data for it to be active. So these are the pictures that are trending, pictures on the top. So you want to change, let's say you want to change your work to smudge painting. Okay, so let's see, like this one right here. So you want to change the AI portrait you've generated to something like this. So this is more like a smudge painting. Okay, let's use here. You type here. So do you get smudge art? Okay, let's say smudge art. So you see what I searched? Smudge art. Okay, so let's take this one here. So you turn one of the AI pictures you have. So I have my AI picture here. So I'll just, once you've selected the one you want, okay, the prompt you want, I'll click on my image. Okay, so this is the image I want to turn it to. So once I've selected it, I'll click here. Then you just wait for it to process. The processing is taking just few minutes and it's done. So look at it, the processing is done. Once you get this, the next thing is just to save your work. Click on download. It has downloaded. Alright, so this is the work we have, it has downloaded. Okay, let's turn one into a pencil art. So you say pencil sketch. So if you type pencil sketch, so pencil art, pencil sketch. So let's go for pencil sketch and look for the one that we want. So all you just need to do is to search until you see the kind of prompt that you will want to turn your image to. Then you select it. Now let's select this one here. So this is the pencil sketch we selected. So you will look for the image you want to use. So right here they will show you faces. Okay, let me use my face. So this is my picture, and let's say I want to turn this to a pencil sketch. So the next thing is just to select it, then it is going to process. So any kind of other prompt you want, cartoons, all of them, you can get it on Photolab. So look at the pencil sketch, look at how it looks. All right, so once you are done, you're going to select this and you download it. Okay, so right now I've downloaded it. So let's say I want to print this pencil sketch and I want to frame it. So what you need to do, you come to still on Photolab. I know you are getting value from this video, right? Please, I want you to like it right now. Okay, comment in the comment section if this video is valuable to you, if it answered the question you are looking for. I would like to hear from you in the comment section. All right, you are going to search for frames. Okay, so search for frames. So let's take frames and border. Okay, this is not what we are looking for. Okay guys, so when you want to turn it into a frame, so you can see you can come back to your main page. So this is the main page. There are many other prompts you can select here. So you come back to the main page, then you are going to see here, you are going to see cartoon, background, family, birthday, picture, love, arts. Then you are going to select frame. So look at frame down there. Okay, so this is frame here. All right, so you select frames. Okay, so you now search for the frame you want. Okay, all right, so you can see all the frames are coming up. So this is the frame I want to use here. So you can see it here. So I select this frame, then I'm going to look for the picture I want to turn into a frame, which is this one here. I'll select it, okay, and go click the arrow button. So it's processing right now. The frame is processing. So if this is the exact frame you want the person to use for you, this kind of frame, so you can see it right now. I've framed this. Okay, select it. Okay, if this is the exact frame you want for the person framing it to use, you are going to send the person this picture. Okay, so that was how I got this particular work here. So I can still frame this one. So you can see this work now. I framed it. Next thing is to save it. So right here, I've saved it. So this is how you can turn your images, your portrait, AI portrait, and edit it in other ways, to a painting, to a pencil sketch, to a drawing, to a pen sketch. All of them, you find it on Photo Lab. Okay, so that's how to do it. Okay guys, so once you have gotten what you want from generating your AI pictures, editing it either to a pencil sketch or a smudge painting, and you put it into a frame, which is the pattern you want. So all you need to do next is to take it to someone who frames. Okay, so I've met two people who frame, okay, on WhatsApp. So I made inquiries from them. What do I need to bring? How much does it cost? So the biggest frame I was shown was 1620, and the guy said it will cost just 15,000 naira. Okay, so if you want to do it as a business, you can just generate AI pictures for people, tell them, oh, I'll be getting it for you for so amount, maybe 20,000 naira. If they pay, you look for somebody who frames, pay the person 14,000 naira, they frame it, and you send it to whoever you want to send it to. All right, it is very, very simple. So I asked him, what do I need to give you for you to get it done in 24 hours? He said, all I just need to do is to send him the image I want as a document, even on WhatsApp. So I was even thinking you will need to put it as a PDF. All right, but he said I can just send it across on WhatsApp. Okay, so whichever means you are going to send it across to the person, make sure it retains the quality of the image. All right, so when you are sending on WhatsApp, make sure you send it as a document. That is just it. If you got value from this video, I would like you right now to like this video, like it. Comment something on the comment section. Don't leave without commenting. That is the way you help my channel to grow. Having said that, see you next time.